What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be Supra, JZA80, Mark 4, MK4, whatever you want to call it, Fast and Furious Supra, triple F fitment. So Fender, filler, fitment, okay? Now, I just want to cover a couple of things. I'm probably going to say it again at the end of the video, but this is no camber arms, no adjustable arms, no crazy camber, just literally wheels on and they fit. Now, you're going to have two sets of readings. You're going to have rolled guards and unrolled guards. Mine are rolled, so unrolled is going to be less aggressive by 9mm. So I'll show you the car, show you how it looks, show you the fitment, and then at the end of the video there will be a chart showing you all of your widths and offsets that you will need. So without further ado, let's jump in. As you can see, this is my fitment. It doesn't poke or anything, but it's as aggressive as I could get. Now let's talk about the rears first.
They are 19 by 10.5 inches wide plus 26 offset.
And that is what you'll get. Now I want to show you from right back here because you can see I'm not running heaps of camber or anything. It's literally just lowered the car down. I tried to get the wheels as vertical as I can, just so I'm not wearing the inside of the tires, things like that. And I wanted that kind of I guess OEM plus kind of look with a nice set of wheels. I didn't want to have a lot of camber, and this will help all of you out that just want to slap wheels on, right? In the front, you can see pretty much the same fitment.
They are 19 by 10 inches wide plus 21 offset.
Obviously, it's a little bit of a narrower rim, so the offset number is slightly different. From looking at my figures, it looks like you can run a square set, which means same front as back, but a lot of people don't run square sets because they would like a lot more, width in the back for running a lot of power, and narrower in the front because then your steering's a bit lighter. So personally, that's what I think perfect fitment is, because in my opinion, that's how I like wheels to look. Granted, the crown is a bit different. The front wheels actually aren't as aggressive as I want them to be. The rear wheels are perfect for this setup because the rear guards have actually been cut out. They haven't been rolled or anything like that. They've actually been cut and then repainted on the inside. That's what I like. So that's what I'll be going for, the E46 and so on. I've done the video on the E46, so you guys can check that one out if you want. That has the most aggressive wheels you can fit on that. Now that is like millimeter to your guard kind of thing. My guards are rolled. Keep that in mind. To fit this, you're gonna have to have rolled guards. To have unrolled guards, you have to be less aggressive by 9mm front and back. But at the end of the video, I'm actually gonna put up a screen grab of a chart that I'm gonna write out, and then everyone can look at it. It's also a sneaky way to get everyone to get to the end of the video because it really helps the channel. That and liking the video really, really helps. So that will go up in a second. I hope you guys have liked this video, and I hope all this information is helpful for you. Hopefully I'm getting my message across. It is no camber arms, no adjustable arms at all, no aggressive camber. You're not dropping your coilovers in if you've got camber tops, anything like that. It's literally, if you were to get a Supra, lower it on, let's say lowered springs for ease, and slap on a set of these wheels, less aggressive by 9mm, they will work and they won't rub, okay? There will be people out there that will be running a mil more aggressive, a mil less aggressive, 3mm more aggressive, things like that. But keep in mind, there may be a little bit more camber, there may be a little bit less camber, whatever it may be. You can see what this looks like. And this, as far as I'm concerned, is very neutral camber, almost nothing. So this is gonna be your baseline. For everyone out there who's jumping on the forums going, or the Facebook pages going, what's perfect fitment, what can I fit on my car? Check out the charts at the end. Left will be unrolled, right will be rolled guards. That's what you can fit on. So guys, hope it's been helpful. Hope you liked the video. Please check out the chart, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys.